Free WAP, nigga. I'ma say that shit to WAP free too. Hey, nigga. Niggas know what the fuck going on, nigga.
Let's get it, shorty.
My granddaddy was the hit man. My daddy sold shit. My mama was on the side of him, bagging up a zip. Recording this shit, how I get a nigga zip. I was down on my ass, thank give me.
What's the deal, y'all? What's going on back on this? Actually, it's a decent ass day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's like a 50-degree day. 50. It's probably gonna be like 50, 55. But we back at it, man. We got the SS. We wrapped the front bumper already. I'm doing the chrome delete on all the chrome. Now mind you, it got so many rock chips. It's got so many rock chips on there, all the chrome, so it's not gonna look perfect, but shit, for the time being, I wet sanded the whole bumper so the bumper's smooth. But for the time being, I'm about to do the chrome delete. I got new trim, all the new chrome and shit is coming in the mail. But for now, I had the chrome deleted because I don't like no chrome for real, so. That's what we're doing, man. We're about to put the chrome delete on. Let me see what this is. Oh shit. We gotta go up there. Oh shit, I'm about to go up there right now. Be right back. Alright, so we got there. He didn't have the right intake. He thought it was one that was for my car, but it wasn't for my car. So we on our way back to the crib, man. I'm about to go to the crib, finish my chrome delete. Hopefully, I ain't gonna lie, I might be able to, you know, I might be able to make me an intake out of some, AutoZone might have one for real, but I'ma see. I got half of the intake already because the whip will already come with half of it. So the other half is just the end piece. So I might only just need the end piece, so. Hopefully I can just find that. Just change the filter piece or something. I don't know. Alright, bro. It's cold as hell. I had to put the shiesty on. It's cold now. But ain't no more chrome on the front. Ain't no more chrome nowhere, to be honest. Look good. I fixed this door jamb. So you can't see no red in there no more. I didn't do none of the other shit. It's too cold, bro. I'm getting cold as hell. I'm straight. But let's see. This intake, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do about that. I'm gonna fuck my finger up. I kind of think I'm just gonna find a boot if I can figure out a way to take this off. Boom, and we back at it, you know what I'm saying? This bitch got to go. We went to AutoZone, really went to O'Reilly's. I got this K&N filter. This bitch was like $80 though. No cap, just the filter. But I opened it up, made sure it fit, made sure it fit my mass airflow already. That bitch fit. That bitch fits. So anyways, man, all you gonna do is take this bitch off, which is already loose. I already left it loose. Pop these off. Just pop them off. Hold on. Take that off. You don't need that no more. That bitch junk. You go take this. This bitch junk too. Throw that shit out the way. Then you're gonna grab your filter. Boom. You put the filter right on. That bitch fit on there perfectly. Take your 8. Tighten it up. Hold on. I probably need 2 hands. Hold on. Put that on there. Tighten it up. And you good. Make sure it ain't hitting the hose. Oh yeah, we in the game now. See if y'all can hear this bitch. Hold on. Hold on. us a little pat. We got us a little pat. Hold on. Yes, sir. All right, we in the game, man. Let me clean this shit up. Set it up there at least. So this, burn that shit. Everything tight. It's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Put the hood. Yes, sir. Let's go dry this bitch. It ain't too loud. Let's go this way. Dang. I know this bitch probably breathe way better now. I ain't go on the street with no speed bumps though. DPD don't fuck with me. Oh, I thought that was DPD right there. Shit. Damn, man. I gotta change these struts, put these coilovers on ASAP. That bitch sound way better. You couldn't hear it before. You couldn't hear it at all. I can hit it anything. You ain't gonna hear it. Turn traction off. Oh yeah, that's what we needed. That's what we needed, man. I'm in neutral. I'm a rookie. Hopefully my gas mileage get better too, dog. This bitch was tripping. I was getting terrible. I don't even know how you go in here and check the gas mileage. Trip fuel. Average mile per gallon, 13.6. I'm not gonna lie though. That's better than I normally be at in any other car. Looking for turning out in front of me, damn.
I am just a lost soul. Ay, am I gonna make it out this bitch? I don't even know. We gon' trap about the spot. We don't never close. Really, come and catch a buddy. None of my niggas. They ain't wanna give me my spot. I had to kick the door. All the 8, I'm in the trenches throwing up my thoughts. I am just a lost soul. Am I gonna make it out this bitch?